Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. This is the best affiliate program for beginners. Simplest one yet. I'm laughing because I just did a bunch of recording and there was a video playing in the background, and both my mic sound was on and the video sound was on. So, note to self: make sure there's no videos running at all. Just make sure. Let me double check. Yes, we're good. We're good. We're all good. All right. So, if you like, my name's Glen Murray. This is my channel. It's about making money online. It's about affiliate marketing and basically trying to show you the simpler ways to do things so that you don't make the mistakes that I made. That way you can get to what you wanted to achieve faster and faster and faster. All right. So, what we're going to get into today is let me bring up my notes here, the best affiliate program for beginners. And this is like the simplest one yet. Side note, I still am. I'm a member of a program called Carrot Bars. I don't really promote it anymore because really, it's too complex. It's like I have gold with Carrot Bars and I have commissions and they get paid onto a MasterCard. And last time I went in and checked, I have commissions sitting there, but then it says I don't have a MasterCard active, but I have a MasterCard that's current. So I don't know why it's not loading onto it. And then a bunch of these units I had moved to a Bitcoin, but now they're telling me that coin's not going to work and they're going to transition it all to, I don't know. It's so confusing. It's just like, it's like a learning curve. Don't join something that's too confusing. It was confusing to begin with. Now it's just like, I have no idea. I had actually about 6 months ago, someone walk me through what to do to move some of these credits around. I was like, I have no idea what's happening. It was just so confusing. So I recommend for beginners, find something super simple. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you is you guys can literally have set up in about 20 minutes, guys. It's literally 20 minutes. So I'm going to just make sure that, yes, nothing's going on there. And why is this the simplest one yet? Because guys, you don't need to go recruit people. You don't need to go on social media to do anything like that. You don't have to you basically, you set up the system and you basically order traffic just like a pizza, and depending on what you want to spend, this is not a free method, depending on what you want to spend, that's how much traffic you're going to get. And I recommend having a budget of a few $100s a month when you're starting. This system also actually pays you clicks on the leads that you generate, which is really cool. You also get leads from the people that you introduce to the system. So every fifth lead that someone brings into the system, you get it that are under you. So it's super awesome. It's got 3 streams of income. It has high ticket, which I always talk about. If you check out my other videos, I always talk about make sure there's a value ladder where you can start small and move up. You can get started in this for as little as $10, guys. You get the Mastermind, and then from there you can just add on whatever you want. But I recommend having a little bit more than that. Again, remember, it's not free. If you want free methods, go check out some of my other videos. But I really recommend having a budget of a couple $100 a month in order to do this properly. And again, you don't have to recruit people, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using an entire cold traffic system, because what you're going to do is you're creating a generic list of opportunity seekers using cold traffic, and then that list you're going to be taught with the system how to market to them, and it's simply by sending an email. You're not recruiting people, you're just sending an email to your list. All right, so let me show you exactly what it is. And this is the best affiliate program for beginners, and this is the simplest one yet. And this is 2020, works in 2020, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly what to do and exactly how to do it. All right, so let me share my screen here. So basically, guys, this is what you're going to get in. You click the link and get started, and then you want to get the Millionaire Mastermind. It's $10, one-time lifetime access. It's ongoing training, so it's like the training is always being updated, and you're going to be able to monetize that. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to, and look at some of these commissions, guys. $3,200 commissions you can earn back there. Now that's if you go all in. But so the first step you want to do is you need to connect an autoresponder, because you do need to build a list. Now, if you already have Aweber, you can connect that. or you can connect SendShark, or you can connect GetResponse. So if you already have one of those, great. You're already set. All the instructions are in there. The first one is it gets you to set up your SendShark, because for beginners this is kind of like the easiest one, and it keeps the price low because it's $25 a month up to 50,000 subscribers. If you were to do 50,000 subscribers on Aweber, it'd be about $600 a month. So this is really, really, really affordable as you're growing a very large list, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video, and then basically you're going to have a button here is like get your SendShark account. Click there, go set it up. Now you don't have to do anything else except bring your username back, and you put your username in, and then go confirmed, and that's it. Everything else is set up in the system for you, so there's nothing to do there. Same thing with this. You're going to go over to Traffic Authority. Same thing. You're going to fill out the form. You're going to want to have the I think it's a $20 optimizer, or the be able to resell it and to be able to sell traffic, guys, because this is where you can make those big ticket items. And then you're going to come back here, and you're just going to there's my username. You can put your username in, and I've already done it. If not, there would be a green button. I think it's green, and you click it, put your username and click it, and then you're just going to continue on to step 3, right? You want to make sure that this is connected. Your Traffic Authority is connected, right? You want to make sure that if you want to be part of List Leverage, now this is being able to sell not just the Millionaire Mastermind, but the whole List Leverage system, which is a whole bunch of great landing pages, like tons of landing pages here, guys. Like you can see lots of sales going on back here, landing pages, and then you've got campaigns, and you've got 1,000 emails and banners and more training than you can imagine, guys. It's like just a ton of trainings, and then after that, it's as simple as get traffic. And what you do is you basically hit start your traffic, and what this is going to do, it's going to take you over to a page where you can actually buy traffic. And right now they're having a great sale where you can buy one and get the second one half off. So for 400 clicks, you're going to probably get I'm thinking you would get about 4 to 5 sales, maybe as high as 10 sales for 2 basic packages, and each one is gonna, if they go all in, it earns you about $88 a month, plus whatever traffic they buy, right? So again, that would be $330. So you would break even on your fourth sale, kind of thing. So that's how you would do it, right? So you say if you can go higher. I just bought a double silver here. I've got a gold package. You can see my active orders, guys. I'm walking the walk. See, there you go. I got 5 active orders going, and I had 2 that just ended. So lots and lots of traffic going to that. So guys, this is exactly how you do it. And then guys, the next step, super important, right here. Join our Facebook group. Do not miss this step. This is so important. You have to get into our Facebook group. And that's basically it, guys. Like, that is how simple it is. Look at that. Less than 9 minutes. I showed you exactly what to do. Now, when you click on to join this program, it's really simple. You just go in and click it. Again, this is not a free method, but the reality is it takes money to make money. If you want to get to that $10,000 a month, right? When you're starting out, you're probably going to be spending about $10,000 on advertising, on traffic. You want to go to ClickBank. If you want to make money at ClickBank, Robbie's going to tell you how to be commission hero. You're going to be spending a ton on advertising, right? Like, that's just his thing. All of these, all of them, they show you how to do advertising. We're showing you, and the advertising, then you got to write this advertising copy, and you got to use stuff, and then you're using stuff that other people are using, so it's not very original, and you don't have a name for yourself. You're not branded, so you're going to be growing the brand thing. Instead, guys, go buy the traffic that converts, the stuff that's working. everybody in the group, in the Facebook group that we're a part of, everybody is in the system, is buying this traffic because this traffic is converting. I've bought a lot of traffic. It is the highest converting traffic I've ever seen. That's why I recommend it. That's why I find this system so simple. Again, you just got to follow the steps, follow the steps, follow the steps. Now, if you decide to join our group, right? I am putting together a traffic rotator for anyone that goes all in. That means you're a mastermind. You've got list leverage. You've got Send Shark. You've got everything at Traffic Authority. If you've got that all in package, I'm buying traffic and I'm putting all the people that have bought from me into that rotator. So you're going to be getting free traffic from me, right? So you need to make sure that when you do that, you'll have all my, in the back office, you'll see all my information, you'll see my uplines information. You're going to get that. You want to make sure that you message me and say, hey, Glenn, I'm all in. I want that free traffic, and I'm going to be sending you some free traffic. You're going to be sending your own traffic. And as those leads start coming in, right, do the same thing as I do. Offer them this, and basically show them what you've done and how you did it, and they're going to do the same thing, and you're going to be getting leads from them. You're going to be getting sales from List Leverage. You're going to be getting sales from Millionaire Mastermind. You're going to be getting sales from SendShark. You're going to be getting sales from Traffic Authority. You're going to be getting traffic sales, right? And even here's another little nugget. SendShark is part of a bigger program called Now Lifestyle. If you're a member of Now Lifestyle, that has a whole other income stream where I'm getting, guys, I get checks every single week. Oh, by the way, these programs pay every week. Every Friday you get paid. So that's another awesome thing as you're starting as a beginner. You want to be getting paid all the time. So getting paid every Friday is awesome, guys. When you get that notification on your cell phone that your e-wallet's just been loaded, you're like, yeah, it's so awesome. So get started. Get in, right? Get the Millionaire Mastermind full access, but then go through the fast start steps. Do it. This is, seriously, guys, this is the best affiliate program for beginners, and it is the simplest one yet. I've not found anything simpler because everything is done for you. You literally just need to fill out some forms, watch video, fill out the form, watch video, fill out the form, press go. That's it. And then just go about your day, right? There's no, the follow-up is already done for you. As you're in the Facebook group and you're learning from other people, you're going to learn how to do more follow-up, right? From the pros. But at first, just let the system run. See how the system works. Watch your leads come in. Watch your list start to grow. Watch the leads come in, the sales come in, and it's so cool to see. And in about 14 days, your Click Cash will click in, and that's the free money where you're going to get paid for some of the leads that you brought in. So that's what I have for you guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, share, comment if you got value out of this. And if you're going to come all in, make sure you comment, you message me, and I want to get you into that traffic rotator. All right, guys, cheers.